Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install TikTok app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to find your app store. Okay, the app store will look like this. So go ahead and tap on it. And if this is your first time opening up App Store, you'll need to go ahead and log in with your iCloud account. And once logged in, go to use the search function at the very bottom. Tap on it. Now use the search bar at the top. Now go ahead and type down TikTok. All right. And once done, tap on search right here. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, TikTok will be available. So what you do basically is just tap on the cloud button, or sometimes it will say get right here. All right. So just tap on it, wait for the download process to finish. And after that, it will just install by itself. Okay, all you have to do is just wait. And once it's done, there will be an open button right here. And a shortcut will be available on your home screen. Okay, so just wait for it. And once that's done, tap on it to open it up and you should be good to go. That is how you install TikTok app on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.